Convene, Supervene. I awoke this morning thinking about all the people I love and how I want to call each one of you and say, it's okay. We'll be okay. We are okay. We are light. We are love. We are collective consciousness pushing itself from a deep dream of frenzied sleep. Amid COVID-19 messages from corporations with generic responses, news briefs about bipartisan senators selling stock as they reassure the public that we will all be just fine come October, posts of top CEOs jumping out of the game in the nick of time, their golden parachutes pirouetting in the wind of this worldwide panic pandemic as if they are immune. Maybe they are, in their bunkers in South Dakota or Panama or whatever Middle Earth conspiracy story appeals to your creative imagination, counting their 1% while the rest of us duke it out over toilet paper and frozen pizza, holy water replaced by hand sanitizer. Lives constructed carefully or carelessly on the brink of virtual collapse. Safety nets revealing their rabbit holes, bystanders wondering who among us will slip through as we plummet into an unknown embraced by those who've been training to meet this moment for decades. This is no time to fear because this is as real as the air we share, the surfaces we touch, the hugs we are missing, as real as dolphins returning and balconies breaking out in cohesive song, as real as this blue earth making up 0.0003% of the total mass of a solar system sharing the Milky Way with 40 billion potentially habitable planets like our own. As real as these bodies unfurling like springtime ferns in the dawn of their awakening. Social distancing, without euphemism, is social isolation, i.e. meditation. Nothing else to do but make love inside ourselves, with lungs and isotopes, with inhale, exhale, feeding the antibodies with able-bodied thoughts. Tell them, we got this, and we will. Tell them, we got this, and we do.